Hi there, Bob C here, and I'm installing this Liberty garden hose hanger, and the number is 692, and I got it from Amazon, and a lot of people complain about it's hard to install. Well, I happen to have left over this pipe here, and this was used for a fence, and let's see here, get a measurement here. Well, it's 1 and 11/32, if you can see that upside down. And it's just the perfect fit for this particular hose hanger. Let me just show you here. You can see the two. And let me just slip it over. And there you go. I don't know if we can see in there. We'll take a look. No, we can't see. But it's a snug fit. A little bit of play, and you can put a. I'm going to put a hole through to it and send a stainless steel bolt through, and so it doesn't jump all over the place. And that's going to end it for me with this particular job. And I'm not sure how the original length for these pipes they use for putting together those chain link fences, or I think that's what they call them anyway. This was close to 6 feet, and I sunk it into the ground about 2 feet, so it's not going to go anywhere. And it went in pretty easy. Matter of fact, I just banged it in with the 4-pound one of these 4-pound sand-filled hammers, and it didn't take long at all. So just figured I'd pass that on. All right, till next one, have a great one. Bye.